Hey guys, Sandy here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to be scrapbooking with that background that we made the other day. It is now fully dry and I am kind of in love with it, you guys. So I have that, my photos, a little bit of product. Not exactly sure how much is going to go on here because like I said, I love this and kind of want it to be the star of the show. So let's see what I can do. All right guys, so I have my products here and I am going to take this holographic paper that is over on the other side and mat my photo on it. Now my photo was a 4x6 photo. I cut 1/4 inch off of 2 sides so that my mat is actually going to be 4x6. And what I do here is go ahead and take that photo, and I am just figuring out which side I want it to be on. And ultimately I chose this side because the spires of the castle are a little bit larger on this side, so I feel like it can handle the photograph on top of it. Now, of course, I had to grab a Tinkerbell sticker and put her near the top of one of the spires. I am going to title this Blessed because I really do feel blessed that this trip was even able to happen. I was able to make my schedule work. Christopher was able to make it work for him as well. And then I was able to hang out with Julianne and Crystal. So just an awesome time. And I'm not going to lie, I kind of love that they took this photo of the back of my head. So I thought, you know what, maybe I should put a little doily down here. I think this is my very last round doily. That isn't, I do have some felt doilies still, but it just felt wrong there. So I went and got some tulle circles, and at first I was just going to place them on one side, but ultimately I just decided to go ahead and put these bad boys down as the circular circles that they are. I just went ahead and did that. It adds a little bit of texture to the page. It adds a little bit of interest, and it's not taking away from what I consider to be some stunning stenciling and masking work, okay? I'm just going to put this out there. I absolutely love how this background turned out. You guys have no idea. I'm not even upset about the couple areas where the shimmer is really shimmery on the castle part. Like, I don't even care. Doesn't even bother me. I am ridiculously happy with this, which is why I did not want to cover up a lot of this, right? Sometimes the backgrounds that you make are just that awesome, and I feel like it is totally great to showcase that, right? Like, why wouldn't I want to showcase the fact that this beautiful background exists, right? It's something pretty to look at in the album when you're flipping through. So I'm going to do a little bit of a mixture of florals. I've got some wood veneer bits, some paper florals, some burlap florals. Just going to do a little bit of decoration on the photograph itself. Now I did, this will be one of those rare times that I pull colors from the photo. So you got me with the purple hair and the Ursula ears, and then you have the rocks. So I just decided to go with some kind of white and natural and khaki colors for that, and I think that it melds together lovely. I am going to use my Nuvo Deluxe adhesive to get everything glued down. It's just going to stick better. Plus, I am able to kind of glob on the glue where the florals are so that they definitely stay stuck down here. I just decided to do 2 tiny little clusters, and even though I have pulled off the adhesive backing on the wood veneer, it's not feeling super sticky right now, so I just decided a little extra glue wouldn't hurt. The little wooden animal down there is because it's Disney, and there are little wooden creatures in almost all the Disney movies, right? Like the little woodland creatures help out. and they're there. So felt like it was completely appropriate to put that little guy there. After I do that, I'm like, oh, maybe we need some natural colored tickets. And I'm like, no, that's just going to take it to a different place that I don't want it to go to. But I do decide I need a little bit more. So I've pulled out some wood veneer hearts. I am going to place some of them around the decorations that I've already placed on the page. And then I'm also going to put some on the castle itself. I just think that this just adds a little bit of an extra kind of surprise touch that maybe you wouldn't have expected up there with the Tinkerbell. So if she isn't enough to grab your attention, maybe those hearts will be. But although I think both of the things up there do grab your attention pretty good. So I am super excited to share this layout with you guys, and really excited that the background I made this week actually is going to be used this week. I've only got a couple layouts left in this album, so I plan on finishing those up in the next couple of days and we'll be done. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys again real soon for another video.